Hey guys, welcome back to Container Crops of Scaredy Cat Gardener. I am getting ready to harvest my sweet potatoes. I don't know if they're ready or not. I can't see them, but they've been here for over 120 days. So we'll see what we got. I will keep a few of these leaves just to saute since all of you all keep saying how wonderful they are. I have never had sweet potato leaves, but we'll see.
Show off your fantasy reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse from the outside all the time.
Okay guys, before we get started here harvesting these sweet potatoes, seeing what's in this container, if you are not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and take a second and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell, make sure it's set to all so you'll always get my videos every time I upload them. I go live every Wednesday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'd love to see you all there as well, so make sure you have that bell on and connect to me on IG Scaredy Cat Gardener. All right then. Oh, one more thing. My Facebook group, Container Crops. I'd love to see you there too. All right, let's get busy. Okay, so we're going to dump this out just like this. Make sure you guys can see that. And I think I need something. Ooh. 1,000 roots. Any potatoes in here? Oh wow, these are scroungy looking potatoes, but they're potatoes. Oh my goodness. Let's see here. Okay. Look at that. I don't know if they were ready, but they've been in here long enough, and I need the pots. Quite a few. They're all tiny, seems like, but there are a ton of them. Little bitty one. Okay, so these are all the sweet potatoes that I harvested. It's not a lot. They are not huge, but guess what? They're sweet potatoes. These are the sweet potato leaves. I will saute those today. I will cure these, and since they are tiny like this, I'm going to put them in a stew. I'm just going to chop them up and put them in a stew. And I also harvested a few tomatoes. I get tomatoes, a few like this every day. I typically pull them off the vine when they are green like this, at any sight of red at all, because that way the animals can't smell them, and I haven't had any problems this year. Few handful of blueberries for today. I keep getting those every day. And this is stevia. I'll dry this. I will dry this, dehydrate this for some sweetener. Okay, let's see. Okay guys, I have mentioned previously I had nowhere to cure my sweet potatoes, and husband doesn't want them in the house in this condition, so, or just sitting around, especially not being cleaned. So I am putting them in my grill. My grill right now, we're at the heat of the day, and it's right at about 100 degrees in here. At least that's what the thermometer said on the outside. So I'm just going to close this top. You can see it's right at 100. I hope that's not too hot, but this is an experiment because I have nowhere else to put my sweet potatoes. So I will leave them in here. I will check on them daily, or not daily. I'll check on them after a few days and see where we're at. Okay guys, I'm all done out here for today. I've cleaned up my garden for the fall. I've planted quite a few things, and I'll take you all on a garden tour soon once they start germinating. I've added some more pots out here, and let's hope everything goes as planned. And again, remember, anywhere you can set a pot, you can grow a plant. And I'll see you on the trail.